Are you still wasting time clicking around in Excel? In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful shortcuts that will make you work twice as fast. If you use Excel for school, work, or business, these will save you hours every week. Let's get started. Instead of typing today's date manually, just press Ctrl plus semicolon. Excel will instantly insert the current date, perfect for logging reports or time-stamping data. Need the exact time? Use Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon to insert the current time. Combine it with the date, and you have a quick time log in just 2 keystrokes. To highlight an entire row instantly, press Shift plus space. No need to drag your mouse across the sheet. And if you want the whole column, just press Ctrl plus space. Great for formatting entire columns in one step. Adding up a column? Forget typing sum. Just select the cell below your data and press Alt plus equals. Excel automatically creates the sum formula for you. Need a new row? Select a row, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. Excel instantly inserts a new row above. And if you want to remove a row, press Ctrl plus minus. Quick and easy. When scrolling long spreadsheets, freeze the top row with Alt, W, F, F. This locks your header so you always see column titles. Working with multiple sheets? Use Ctrl plus page down to go right, and Ctrl plus page up to go left. Much faster than clicking the tabs. My favorite one, press F4 to repeat your last action. For example, if you highlight a cell yellow, select another cell and hit F4. Boom! Same formatting applied. And that's it, 10 Excel shortcuts that will save you hours. Which one was new for you? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel, Word, and PowerPoint tips. And if you want my free Excel cheat sheet, check the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching Office Hacks channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us for the latest tips, high-quality content, and deep insights every week.